Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Another friend's bedroom set we have here. This time it's Liann's room, $33 at the Lego store in Australia. You get 204 pieces and the colours in this are quite vibrant, I thought. So her friend Autumn is included in this and Liann's pet Popcorn. Love the box art. Let's rip it open and see what we get. Let's open these instructions because Liann is going to wave to us. There's the map where everyone lives and we get some stickers. Love the colours. Love those stickers actually. And we get 2 bags here and then an 8x16 plate. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty, let's build. Liann is wearing some denim overalls and it's fashionable now to have one of the straps unbuckled and one of them's at the back there. So just taking a look, she's got some green shoes. Love the hair, but with the shoes, the printing doesn't look very nice on those ones, I thought. We've got Autumn next, so my first Autumn, I haven't opened her yet, and we've got a little planet there. She's got her little arm, which I really love, so it's like a limb difference she's got. Her hair is like messy braid, which I really like, and on her little arm there, not sure if you can see that, there is a little Lego stamp on her arm there, so I don't know if they've trademarked her little arm missing the hand. We're gonna get her to hold her mobile phone. Little Popcorn's up next. Love his markings, and he is into extreme sports, so he is going to hop on this skateboard and do some stunts. Let's start Liann's room. She's got lots of pots of paint and a little chest of drawers there. There is this awesome stickered panel there, and we've got a little raccoon in the bin, so a bin panda. Lots of paints, graffiti of her name there, and then this is going to be like a little window seat. I need to hang up Popcorn's skateboard here on the wall. That's looking great. Liann's going to sit down. Time for the little build. So this is Popcorn's little stand. He's going to stand up here and my cat's going to check him out. And now the little easels for painting. I really like this colourful bookshelf that we get. So we get stickers there of the books and we've got a little radio there. And this actually converts into a bed, which is a great space-saving furniture. Love this piece of blobby paint that I'm trying to attach to the floor. There we go. And now there's the bookshelf. We've got a little, I think that's like a exclamation mark rug under her bed. There's the bed sheets and we're going to attach it here. That's cute. And then up it goes. Space saving. And we got lots of food and now Popcorn's little house. Liann's room is finished. Time to put everything together. The girls want to take Popcorn out so they can go and paint him. Wow, they've done a great job painting Popcorn and he's super happy. Autumn's painting some graphics on the skateboard. And Popcorn spilt paint everywhere because he couldn't wait to see himself. Popcorn is teaching my cat how to do some tricks on the skateboard. The Lego Friends Liann's bedroom set. Oh, this is really nice. So I wasn't sure when I first saw it. I was like, oh, the colours don't go together, and I don't know. Once I built it, I love this set. There is so much to play with here. A lot of storytelling. Popcorn's gorgeous, and I love little Autumn as well. And if you can get this on special, even better. So everyone, get your bricks out.